Let me show you how to make a delicious, crispy, and healthy snack that is low in carbs and full of protein. These seed crackers are so simple but turn out amazing. To make these seed crackers, start mixing together flax seeds, chia seeds, sesame seeds, sunflower seeds, and pumpkin seeds in a bowl. And give the seeds a good mix until everything is well combined. Next, put half of the seeds mixture in the blender or a food processor and blend until quite fine. Blended seeds make the crackers hold together better and have some crunch. This is the perfect consistency, as you can see in the video here. Next, add the blended seeds to the rest of the seeds mixture and give everything another good mix. Then, add a bit of Himalayan pink salt to taste and any spices that you enjoy, such as pepper, garlic powder, dried rosemary, oregano, or smoked paprika. Once I tried the recipe with some onion powder, and it was really tasty. Next, add 200 milliliters, or 3/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of boiling water to the seed mixture and stir right away. The water activates the natural gels in the flax and chia seeds. Next, take a large parchment paper covered baking tray and scoop all the seed mixture onto it. Spread the mixture out thin and even layer using the back of a spoon or spatula. The best way to get it nice and thin is to cover it with another piece of parchment paper and then use a rolling pin to flatten it evenly. This trick makes the crackers not only perfect thickness, but they turn out nice and smooth that way, as you will see in a minute. Next, bake the seed crackers in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius or 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 to 30 minutes until they start to get golden around the edges and your kitchen fills with a nice nutty aroma. The top turns golden and firm when done baking, but the crackers crisp up even more as the crackers cool down. Using a sharp knife, cut them in the shape you like while they are still warm, so it is easier to cut them in nice shape without crumbling. These seed crackers have a delicious nutty flavor with hints of salt and spices. When they cool down, they get super crunchy and perfect for snacking. There's no flour, they are healthy, naturally gluten-free, low in carbs, and high in protein. If you like this super simple healthy crackers recipe, then check out also these healthy and delicious breakfast cookies here. They are just as easy to make.